Welcome to another video by Regal Eye Tech. Hey, if you like this, please click so for me. And if you haven't subscribed, can you? Please? And thanks. Hey, do remember to follow Regal Eye Tech on Instagram, where you can see live videos and see random tech stuff. Now this one is packaged. This comes right out. This comes out. Okay. Power plug. Keyboard. Mouse. Check. Nothing else. Just really nice storage box. Just make a nice little toy chest or like a dollhouse inside. So I think I decided to put the studio on this side and the iMac on this side. So let's get this down. Charging port for the keyboard and mice. This also charges from here. Unfortunately, this charging design does not allow you to use the device while it's charging, apparently, because the port is on the bottom. Interesting. How about this one? Not that one. You can plug it here on the top. Little booklet. We gotta keep everything in here. Just so you know, I have that for this. That's okay. Let's see what's in here. This one comes with a keyboard that has the full number pad to the right. This is a professional office keyboard. Comes with a pen, this Microsoft pen. And last but not least, the mouse. This one uses batteries. So, that is the beginning. That's it. Here's so cool. Oh, bunches. Don't need it. Next, I want to fit in the locks. This is a lock, so these type of machines can potentially grow legs and lock. So we want to make sure that locking mechanism that will secure it to the desk. This is a newly installed desk, so I'm sure there'll be some improvisation here to get this thing to mount, because you need either a leg of a desk or a grommet, you know, a hole in the desk of some sort, or something to grip this around. You see? Don't forget we also have the dial for the stereo. The dial is a multifunction mouse type peripheral, giving you more precise controls for artistic programming. That's that one. This goes with that. This all here. So, let's give it a try. Let's use it to the back. We want to find the right fitting. Because this comes with fittings for a couple of different models of iMac. So depending on what year, or size. So for example, the smaller one goes with the 21.5 inch iMac. So that's not going to be the one we're using. We're using the 27 inch iMac, which requires this and this. Alright? It says it on here. It says 2012 and greater 27 inch iMac. Okay? So, this they come with two keys. One you keep on site, maybe, or one you just keep them somewhere secure. That's the idea right there. So that this cord or cable can go through. That hole. That's it. That's how it works. Go ahead and feed your power cord through. Alright. Get your power cord through there. Alright. And this. Oopsie. Let's get that on there and we get this in here like that. Alright. There it is. That's essentially it right there. At this point, it just needs to be. Oh my gosh. Let me pull this all the way through. This is heavy duty stuff here. Alright, we got the cord pulled through. Let's get this on again and lock it in place. Alright, so this will lock in place with this. This is what's going to activate the lock. Put that in there. it in there, get the key, you lock it in place, and you're done. Oops. There we go. Locked. Now once this part is secured, somehow, somewhere, the unit will be secured. So let's leave that for later. What we're going to do now is get the unit situated. Let's put the lock on the other one, shall we? Alright, let's do the lock on the Surface Studio. This one seems to be less involved. Less hardware involved for sure, seemingly. But I can tell the cable is noticeably thinner. They're the same brand, but perhaps not the same model. I'm not 100% sure if Kensington makes that thicker grade model for the Surface Studio. But look, the reality of it is, if someone has a shear that can cut this, it's a possibility that shear will cut that too. So I think these are a deterrent more than a complete solution to anti-theft. Because if there's someone really wants to get this, they will come in with the right tools to do so. So with the Kensington set, it comes with these set of claws, and that's what's going to grip the back of the Surface Pro unit. There is a mechanism under the Surface Pro Studio specifically designed for this. Right here. And so then this grips on here. That's it. It's locked in there. It's designed for that. That is where the computer lock is. So at this point, the lock is on. And then now we just need to fix this part. This part goes into it. It has a button that releases it, obviously, when you put the key in. So, put that in. You know what? My fault. I think I made a mistake. Big mistake. Not a huge mistake, but I think this should go on first. Actually, it's not unlocked. That's what it is. This needs to be unlocked. Thereby, when you press the button, it allows this to go in. There we go. Now, we'll put it on. You know what? You put it on first. I had it right the first time. It's on. It's locked in. Now you put this in. It has to be in the open position in order for it to go in. Now that it's in there, then you turn the key and release it. And you press the button. That's what locks it in, but I pulled it out before I pressed the button. Just to show you. Here we go again. So you turn the key. It makes this narrow so that it can go in here. Once it's in there, you turn the key to lock it, and you press that button. Now with that button pressed, it closed the narrowing of the metal, and now you have it in place, locked in. It's not going anywhere. The only way to remove this is with the key now. So put the key in, turn it, the button comes up, press and pull. When the button is up, that is when it comes out. See? Push it in, press the button, remove your key, and it's back in. Let's power these up now, shall we? Power button right here, volume up, volume down. No buttons on anywhere else. Hey, this dial is supposed to be able to grip on here, but it won't do so until you take off this sticker that will release the grip underneath. Impeccable grip. On the iMac, there's only one button. Left on the back here. Press this power button here. Got the inputs, ports. We will find a way. There's a will, there's a way. There's a drill, there's a way. Okay, so I think I found a spot I could run this cord through. There's a unit here. What you do is you put the first loop through. Right? Get this around. Put this through here. You make a hoop. Just a simple little hoop. Nothing serious. Just a simple little loop, right? Now you pull this tight. Boom. Now you've got the mechanism ready to go ahead and resecure back here. Done. Now it's secure. So that's the best option I found at the moment to secure this to the desk. There's another granite slab that is jointed to the bottom holding the units up, but it has just the right amount of gap to get the wire to go through. It doesn't look that nice on the eye, but this is the cost you pay to secure these units. However, in the future, we could just put some grommet holes in the granite, if that's a good idea, and run it down that way so it's neater, hidden. Now let's try to find something for this thicker gauge cable. This is going to be a bit more challenging because the size of this cable is about 3 times the other one. So I think I found something. So it allowed me to get this part through here, which was kind of difficult, but it worked. So now we can lock this in, and we'll need to get this in here. So we'll have to take off the cord again so we can run it through here. All right. One thing I don't like with this one is the minute you take it off, it all falls apart. There it is, see? Now we take this. Drop test. Get in there. Lock in place. Ready? Boom. Oh. In. Lock. Position. Something's not right. There we go. Locked. That's secured. That's secured.
Do remember, Tech Family, subscribe and share. Hit like if you like. Comment for tips. We can co-enlighten each other.